Another beautiful day. That's the middle part. That's the top part. That's the leg. And then the base table. So the leg, that I just said something, right? No, under the name. That means it should be for under the bought this company. And then I'm sure it's after 1903. Before 1903, its name is Elliott and then Hatchie. Then 1903, they merge Elliott and then Fisher. So that's why name is Elliott Fisher. So this is a leg, right? And then this is a base. So without this whole table, we cannot explain completely about this bookkeeping or whatever called the book typewriter. Yeah, there is also another serial number, and then it's P12. The base one is 11, right? And then also there is if after under the bought this company, they used under the before this name, under the Elliott Fisher. So that means maybe before under the bought this company. I removed this part to explain about this. Before I realized how to put into here, we do the like this, right? Put the here into here, right? But it's not the correct way. Of course we can do that, but I realize we can this one like open. I'll show you. If use the one hand, it's not easy. Under here there is like a hold and clip. After remove this both sides, and then we can erase this whole bed or plate. Let's try using the both hands. See? Yeah. This is the bottom part really heavy, so don't worry about this. Even though at this situation, when I try to fold down this whole table, it's not easy. It's very heavy. Still we cannot hold. Fell down this one. See, very. So don't worry about that. So after this, we can put this middle part easily. See? Yeah, I try. Open this one, and then put this one like easily like this. See? Yeah. And then also I found something broken inside, but it's okay. No effect any functionality, any quality. Okay, I'll show you. There is this screw, right? This one and then this one, right? This is actually broken, so we can take off easily. See? But still is okay. This one for the right now this one moved to the left over this screw, right? This is that kind of a block. You cannot move over this, so because it's for safety. See, automatically it should be in the middle like this. After that point it was blocked, the block this rail. So same thing for the left, this is blocked under here, so that's very important for the safety. But it was broken, this screw, but still it's functional, what I found. And then also we can remove this rail. Under here there is a screw, each side, 4 screw. After remove, we can easily take off this part. It's also very heavy. And then after that, like this, and then we can lay down this one, and then put the this top part typewriter into there. But before that, I show you one more thing. This is heavy. Actually, when I'll do that like this. When I put this typewriter, put this, and then I have some question. How can I put the paper here? So that's why I realized. See, this one easily raise up, and then after like this, we can, this one after like this, we can separate. See, after that we can any paper put here. Of course, after put this top part on the over the here, we can do the exactly same. I'll do you later, show you. Okay, now ready to put this main typewriter over the here. We'll put this typewriter here, this under this part. Where is it? Under this, and then inside this. So the big roller over this rail, and then both sides hold like this one, and then under here. So it's very safe. Both sides like this, and then hold big roller over here, this rail. But in order to do that, this is a rock here, block. So we need to push this one to like this, and then we can push the main typewriter into the rail. Okay, I need absolutely 2 hands. Okay, so this one is for the like line space. See, easily, yeah, like this. And then this is the variable line. See, back and forth easily, without power. We can move typewriter easily over the document site here, right? The book should be here. Okay, and then this one is like I told you, like this, move front, right? Yeah, it's like return rubber. Okay, and then this is a mainspring. It's a very good idea. Mainspring here, it's a release. See, mainspring turn, and then like this, release, mainspring turn. In order to take off the mainspring, here you can see the where is that? Yeah, this one is a mainspring holder. So if you take off this one, and then we can put here for something, fix or remove this typewriter. So this is a mainspring holder. Another one, this is a line margin, right? Line margin set, line margin setup, and then this is a left margin. Okay, and then this is a tap. See, tap function. this is tap keys, tap stops. So you can do the tap. The other one has the one more the bar here, and then there is a column taps, but this one there is no that kind of stuff. And this is a backspace. Okay, let me see. It's easy, very soft. Even though it's a very heavy typewriter, but backspace function is very easily work, right? And then I spend a lot of time figure out the shift key lock, because at that time there is a small piece inside. This one is the put something wrong the outside, so I realize it and then put back like this, and then one spring disconnected, so I reconnect it. After that it works. See, it's a shift key. So I think I search a lot database or a lot website. This is the only the uppercase and then lowercase. Other one, even though they have a shift key, both is uppercase. So I don't know why. This one is only I found the lowercase has this one. Okay, this is a shift key. How work shift key? It's very how can I say, good idea. See, if release shift key, look at it go up, right? And then that means without shift key, right? So any key hit, then you see this movement, right? But without touch this disc, right? Or trigger. See, it's go without touch, and then he can printed any letter, right? But if you push the shift lock like this, that means this is going down, right? So if you hit any key, that means edge of this hit here, right? And then what happened? See? Yeah, see, like this. There are two type bar, right? So already they switch to the capital one. After hitting this disc, that means a trigger to change it to the lowercase to the uppercase, and then move back automatically using the spring power. It return like original position like this. Hit, and then if you delete this one, then it's automatically change to the lowercase position. That's the good idea, right? So that means okay, see, that means see, this one we can change this like capital and then lowercase like this, capital and then lowercase. So this disc is a trigger for the capital uppercase. So that's why it should be like working like this, lock, and then lowercase, change it to the hit. After hit, change it to the capital case, and then return with the spring power. It's back to the original position for ready for the lowercase. Yeah, that's the one of the very good idea about this typewriter. That's the shift lock, okay? And then ribbon. This is it said what it said. It's a red ribbon, right? That means after this, it should change it to the color to the red. That means if you hit any key, its movement it's big from the here to the that side, much like try to use the bottom line of the ribbon. That means a red one, right? So after release this button, that means this movement is a little bit shorter compared to the previous one. That means this typewriter try to use the upper part of the ribbon. That means a black one. That's the ribbon color choice, right? And then ribbon is a, you know, the minion typewriter looks like same function, but different is minion is from here to the this way, right? But this one from here to the this under, and then like this, and then like that. For the ribbon spool function, the both sides we have like this. We can unscrew this one and then take off this one, and then this one for the change of direction, ribbon turning. So space bar. Okay. Then I already explained about this, and then this is another good idea. It's a line finder, right? When you hit this one, what is my cursor? I mean, where is my cursor? I can know that. See, yeah, that's the exactly the position to hit the typer. So any position you can easily find what is the next position. So that's why I said line finder, right? Yeah. Okay, and then now how can I put the paper here? That's my question, right? And so that's why I realized this we can open this whole thing. But how can I hold this one, this typewriter, put the paper? So let's try in the middle, this one in the middle, right? And then push way back to the edge of the back, right? Like this, see? Like this, right? And then we can do that like this. This means like this, right? Hold that. Don't worry about that. It's heavy. Still, it's hold everything very firm because this bar is very heavy. See? So like this. More space to hold thing to take a picture. I can take a picture like this. And then also we can do like this. This one little bit to this. Okay, see, like this. After this, still like this, right? Yeah. So this the bottom part is very heavy, still no problem. And then we can put the paper here, whatever. Now I'm show you the how much paper is good for the this one. Just one sheet like this, right? I can show you. like this. Then over to here. Then I try put something about my name. Okay. And then remove this one. Here, capital lock. Release. Okay, let's see the letter. Okay, like this. Like this. That's just one paper, one sheet, right? And then I fold this one like half, like this. Two pages, right? Two paper. Okay. Move it, and then you can move like this. Okay, and then line finder, almost same, but a little bit make down here. Okay, and then capital, and then Y, and then delete the capital. Capital, release. Then you see this case, right? Like this. Now I can use the 4 paper. 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Then line finder. Too much. Not almost there, right? Maybe a little bit like this. I don't know. Okay. Capital. Now we use the 4 paper, right? Y. And this. Okay. See, same result. Now we can use the A page. Okay, this is A paper. Okay, then like this. Where is the like this, and backspace. Or release this one, move like this, and then line finder, maybe 1. Okay, very close. And then lock, and then Y, and then release, and then shift drop, and then release. Okay, see? Yeah. So this is A paper under here. We can go more, but I cannot hold anymore like this. Then it's not easy to hold the paper. So let's try. This means 8 times 2 means 16 paper inside, right? And then let's try. But it's too small, so it's not easy to hold the paper. Okay, so still you can try. Okay, like this. Then line finder. Yeah, almost there. Then capital, and then release. Space, release. So let's see. Oh my good. Yeah, it's 16 page paper. So still it's okay. That's why they advertise whatever, how many you can carbon copy. They can do that, something like that. They are advertised like this. So that's one of the very good merit of this typewriter, bookkeeping. The book is huge, big, then half like this, put here, and then let's try. This one lay down like this. Okay, I do something with one hand like this, and then shit. That means half a book here and then half a book here. I mean the big one, for example, like this in the middle of the page, the book. I can put the still type like this. Okay, I'll show you what is this meaning. Remove this one, then you can see that easily what I mean. Okay. All right, typewriter is still there, but it's in book, right? I put here, and then in the middle of the page, I can still type like this, right? That's the good idea, right? Yeah. Thank you for watching.